Good morning, Nosegay. Every morning comes with a great day. Take a deep breath, smile, and start afresh. Today, I, Seerat, on behalf of my class, welcome you to the annual function of Class 5th W. The topic of our today's presentation is the power of reading. Nothing can be started without the blessings of Almighty who created this whole world. So, some students are going to present Ganesh Vandana. A book is a gift you can open again and again. I repeat, a book is a gift you can open again and again. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Read to me riddles and read to me rhymes. Read to me stories of magical times. Read to me stories of castles and kings. Read to me stories of fabulous things. Read to me pirates and read to me knights. Read to me dragons and dragon book fights. इनमें होती है दुनिया की हर जानकारी। अक्सर कुछ नया करने का इनसे ही बनता ख्वाब है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। ज्ञान की ये खान है, होती बहुत महान है। जीवन ये इंसान का बदले तभी तो इसकी शान है। क्या बीता क्या होता है सबका इसमें हिसाब है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। मंजिल पर जो पहुंचाती है वही तो ये राह है। हर जिज्ञासु के मन में इसको पाने की चाह है। ये तो वो सागर है जिसमें भरा ज्ञान का भंडार है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त और कोई नहीं किताब है। Reading books is an active process of constructing meaning of words.
Reading books is a good habit and it improves our focus, memory and communication skills.
Reading books helps us to get relief from stress. It improves our mental health. Reading is one of the most important and priceless activities. It helps us to learn new things.
We can increase our concentration power by reading books.
Reading books improves our knowledge and helps in understanding the world around us.
Reading increases our writing and language skills.
Reading books gives us great fun and makes our life cheerful.
Books are our lifelong friends. We can get knowledge of past events also from them.
Reading is the best form of entertainment. We should read magazines, novels, storybooks and newspaper etc. on regular basis.
It is rightly said. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body.
The more you read, the more things you will know. Reading develops our thought, gives us endless knowledge and keep our mind active.
Through reading variety of books, children learn about people, places and events happening in faraway lands.
Children who are good readers tend to achieve more because they develop a better understanding.
The books make you travel without moving your feet.
Remember, a book is a dream that you hold in your hands.
Remember, a book is a dream that you hold in your hand. Thank you.
The classroom scene.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Please sit down. Students, I hope you all are fine. Take out your English book and start reading chapter 3.
Books are our best friends.
You cannot buy happiness, but you can buy books.
Children, don't laugh. We should not make fun of anyone. Why are you not able to read? Don't you read books?
No ma'am, I don't like reading books. It is so boring.
Child, I beg to differ. Reading gives us pleasure. It enhances our vocabulary as well as improves our reading and writing skills. So child, you should read storybooks, newspapers as well as books of your curriculum.
Okay ma'am, I promise that I will make a habit of reading books daily.
Good. And children, do you know there will be a reading competition in the next week? So start preparing. Sujal, you should also participate.
Yes ma'am, I will work hard.
Very good. Sir, shall we start reading?
Yes.
Children, please start reading.
Reading is fun. Reading is dreaming.
Books are our best friends.
You cannot buy happiness, but you can buy books.
I believe something very magical can happen when you read books.
Children, all of you read very well. And the first prize goes to Sujal.
Very good, Sujal. Please tell everyone, how have you improved your reading skills?
Ma'am, earlier I was not interested in reading, but since the day you motivated me, I started reading daily. This has improved my reading skills, and that is why I have got this wonderful result. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding me. Now I have understood the importance of reading.
Children, today I will tell you an interesting fact. If a student read a book just for 20 minutes per day, he or she would read 1.8 million words per year.
Yes, sir.
So children, read more to know more.
Yes, sir.
When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free. And I'm turning pages, spending ages, friends or on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. Any type of book, any type of theme. Study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. Any type of book, any type of theme. Study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free. And I'm turning pages, spending ages, friends or on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. Thank you.
Singing is one of the most positive forms of human's activity. So get ready for Hindi song Ye Chandana.
Thank you.
The first question is, who is the famous character of Jungle Book? The correct answer is Mowgli.
The second question is, who wrote Panchtantra? The correct answer is Pandit Vishnu Sharma.
The third question is, name the story shown in the picture. The correct answer is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
The fourth question is, who won the gold medal in Tokyo Olympics 2021 for javelin throw? The correct answer is Neeraj Chopra.
follow the group dance performed by the student of my class.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो यहाँ अलग अंदाज है जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है हर काम को टाला करते हैं ये सपने पाला करते हैं ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं तितली से मिलने जाते हैं ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं बारिश की बूंदे पड़ते हैं और आसमान के कैंपस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो कुछ पाने की हो आस पास कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ये उम्मीदें अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए